Hi guys, it's Jana and today I have a clearance haul. So this plant is so beautiful. Look at how beautiful. It reminds me of a ponytail palm, but I like it that it has this little things. It's like threads coming out of the leaves. This is for $10. I got this for $10 and it is called Yucca color guard. So, and in the description here it says color guard Adam's needle. So cool, you guys. It's pokey though. These pointy tips on the leaves here. See the leaves here? Very pointy. It is kind of like an agave. And this needs full sun 6 hours plus, and then partial 3 to 6 hours. And the average height is 3 to 4 feet tall and 4 feet wide. So guys, this is a beautiful plant, and I believe you can eat the flowers on this. So I have to do more research on this plant, but this is so beautiful, guys. $10. It was $19.98 and in clearance for $10, and there's nothing really wrong on this plant other than a lot of browning. And I gonna transfer this. When I got this plant, it has roots. The roots are showing off. There's hardly any roots in the bucket, so I just throw some dirt inside there to keep it alive until I'm ready to replant this. But other than that, this plant is healthy looking for me. I'm not really sure and familiar with this plant, but my goodness, so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful variegation too. So guys, I'm gonna focus if you can see the point, like a needle right here. See that point there? It's like a needle right there. See? Very pointy, but this is so beautiful. And okay, I'm gonna show you another dollar clearance I have. I saw this there. Aloes, guys, for $1. $1 aloe. I think they were like $4, I believe, for each. I don't know the regular price on this aloe, but I believe it is. They're on clearance for $1, and I love to put them around the house. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have to replant this, and hopefully this will thrive in the house and get bigger, because this is good house plant. And you know, I'm gonna put some in my kitchen because, you know, cooking, guys, this will help you with the burns. If you get burns, aloe, just put the aloe in it. And there's a lot of usage for this aloe plant, and you know, why not get it for $1, right? So awesome, such a great deal. And then so I have 9 of this, and this Adam's needle. So beautiful. So well, that's it for now, guys, and then I'm gonna go shopping again and see what deals I have. I have been enjoying Lowe's so far. Lowe's normally have a lot of clearance plants, and they do and they have a lot of good plants too in their clearance. So it's just hit and miss, because I know some of you guys showed a lot of clearance plants that you have gotten from Lowe's are also beautiful. So that encourages me to go to Lowe's too and look at their clearance plants. Alright guys, here is my newly repotted color guard Adam's needle, or it says Yucca plant. Well guys, I had a hard time putting this in the center of the pot because it has so many long leaves, and I don't want to get pricked with a pointy needle tip leaves. So well, I did use gloves, And then this reminds me of planting the ponytail tree, because I don't want to hurt the leaves, and it's so hard to see the middle part of the pot, so it's not probably in center. But well, I successfully planted this, repotted this little baby, and I can't wait to see how this grows, and hopefully this will thrive in my garden. I also added top dressing and on this plant, and also I used this plastic pot on this guy, and then I cut the other dead leaves too. So well, this is it for now, and I'll keep you an update on this one. I'll update soon to see how this grows. So I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to see this grow in my garden. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.